aerodynamics and use of composite materials. 380. The Airbus A380 was a double-deck, wide body aircraft known for its large passenger capacity. However, production of the A380 was discontinued due to limited demand. 3. Competition. Airbus competes primarily with Boeing, an American aerospace company in the commercial aircraft market. The rivalry between the two companies has been a defining feature of the aerospace industry for decades. 4. Innovation. Airbus has been known for its commitment to innovation and advanced technology. This includes the incorporation of composite materials, new aerodynamics, fuel, efficient engines, and digital cockpit technologies in its aircraft. 5. Global presence. Apart from its headquarters in Toulouse, France, Airbus has manufacturing facilities and offices in various countries, including Germany, Spain, the United Kingdom, China, and the United States. 6. Military and defense. In addition to its commercial aircraft division, Airbus also produces military aircraft, helicopters, and defense systems. Airbus Defence and Space is a division of Airbus Group, now known as Airbus, that specializes in defense, space, and security products and services. It focuses on a wide range of activities, including military aircraft, satellites, space systems, communication technologies, and defense solutions. 7. Partnerships. Airbus often collaborates with various partners, including suppliers, airlines, and governments, to develop and produce its aircraft. It also works closely with various aviation authorities for regulatory approvals. 8. Environmental initiatives. Airbus, like many aerospace companies, has been focusing on developing more fuel, efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft. The A320 new engine option and the 350 XUV are examples of Airbus's efforts to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. 9. Market share. Airbus and Boeing typically compete for dominance in the global commercial aircraft market. Market dynamics, economic conditions, technological advancements, and geopolitical factors influence their market share